Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not installed on the application of Gmail. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we'll search for Gmail. You will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.